Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we break down the best products on the market today.
Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone who wears glasses or uses lenses regularly, the Zeiss lens wipes.
Known for their quality and effectiveness, these wipes have garnered a reputation as the best in the business. Stick around as we uncover what makes these wipes a standout choice for lens care.
First off, let's talk about what makes these Zeiss lens wipes so special.
Designed for gentle yet effective cleaning, each wipe is pre-moistened to safely clean glasses and lenses without scratching or leaving streaks. This is crucial, especially if you have lenses with anti-reflective coatings or prescription lenses. These wipes come individually wrapped, making them incredibly convenient for use on the go. Whether you're traveling, at work, or simply at home, having these handy wipes ensures your lenses stay crystal clear.
Now, from personal experience, using these wipes is a breeze.
Simply unwrap, wipe your lenses gently, and watch as they regain their pristine clarity. Whether it's your eyeglasses, camera lenses, or even smartphone screens, these wipes handle it all. Keep a few in your bag, car, or desk drawer for quick access whenever you need to clean your lenses. They're perfect for maintaining optimal vision clarity throughout the day. In conclusion, the Zeiss lens wipes are undoubtedly the best choice for keeping your lenses clean and clear. With their gentle yet effective cleaning power, convenience, and affordability, they're a no-brainer for anyone who values their vision quality.
If you're interested in picking up a pack for yourself, check the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Thanks for watching today's review of the Zeiss lens wipes.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment with your thoughts.
Also, let me know if there are any other products you'd like us to review next.
Until next time, stay tuned to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews.
See you soon.